Hello all, my name's Rod Palmer and I live in Brisbane, Australia. Well, I do for the moment. Let me tell you why. See, for many years I've had a dream, and that dream is to work and live overseas. Now, for one reason or another, I've been unable to achieve that dream. That's until now. So I found a company that's willing to do the hard work for me. They send me an email requesting all relevant details, uh, references, police checks, etc., etc. Okay, it's quite simple. You send those details back to them, and they'll will do their utmost to match your job skills in the country of your choosing. Now, you will need to sign a contract, which not a problem. They need to know that you're 100% committed to it, and as we say down here, fair income. So once you send all those details, these guys will work hard in assisting you in achieving that dream. Now, it's quite simple, really. So once you get those details back and you get the okay from all the relevant departments, immigration, etc., you, just like me, might be on your way to achieving your dream. See, it's kind of crazy because I live in Brisbane, Australia. The job that I'm pursuing is in the United States of America, and the company I'm using is in Europe. That's right, that company's EPSN Workforce in Europe. So if they can put together a job for me, imagine what they can do for you. So that company again, EPSN Workforce. Give them a call, send them an email, see what they can do for you. So good luck in achieving your dream too.